Makeup for beginners. How to apply makeup for beginners step by step. How to apply makeup for beginners step by step. Iman. How to apply makeup for beginners step by step. Sazan Hendricks. Makes makeup for beginners very detailed. Maya Glor. Kalo. People also ask what makeup should a beginner buy. What every beginners needs in their makeup kit. Primer ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਂ ਹੀ ਬੜੇ ਔਖੇ ਨੇ ਮੇਕਅਪ ਕਿੱਟਾਂ ਦੇ ਸਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ mascara and eyeliner eyebrow pencil red and nude lipstick brushes and sponges blush blushes and sponges blushes and highlighter eyeshadows plate what every beginner needs in their makeup kit. Gabriel Cosmetics. How do I start basic makeup? Step 4. Pat on compact to set the foundation. Step by step makeover for beginner. All things makeup be beautiful. How do I know which makeup suit me? Combine your skin tone and your undertone to find your foundation shade. Once you have determined your skin tone and your undertones, you can select a foundation that is right for your skin. For example, if you have a fair skin tone and warm undertone, foundation in light ivory or porcelain may be right for you. 3 way to choose makeup colors. What does a full makeup kit consist? Volo all-in-one makeup kit is a pack of 14 items which includes lipsticks, foundation, eyeliner, kajal, nail paints, puff lip liner, eyeshadow, mascara and compact. You can also check out various makeup plates from Miss Claire that have eyeshadows of various colors and applicators. Which concealer is best? What is the price of primer? Online shopping at Myntra price list. Online shopping at Myntra. Color bar perfect matched primer 30 ml 595 रुपये MAC prep plus prime fix plus 100 ml 1950 रुपये Wet and Wild Sustainable Photo Focus Natural Finish Setting Spray Seal the Deal 468 रुपये Sugar Base of Glory Pro Minimizing Primer 3 ml 799 रुपये What makeup should I wear every day? No matter the time of year, you should absolutely consider blush a daily beauty essential paired with an SPF moisturizer and a touch of mascara. Blush has the ability to make your skin look instantly radiant, healthy and glowing. What colored foundation do I need? The most important takeaway is that you want to pick a foundation shade that has the same undertones as your skin's. Clink usage the following descriptions in all foundation shade names: N for natural, best for cool and warm undertones, P for pink, best for cool undertones, and G for golden, best for warm undertones. मेकअप ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਆਪ ਕਾਰੀਗਰ ਵੀ ਜਾਣਾ ਮੇਕਅਪ ਦਾ What shades of makeup should I wear? The general rule with choosing an eye makeup color is that you want a product that is the opposite of your eye color. Unless your eyes are brown, gray, or hazel, wearing a product that is the same color as your eyes is not flattering at all. Wearing a contrasting color will make your eyes really pop up. Pop, 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 puppy chulo. How do you buy your first makeup? Below we'll list down to absolute makeup must have for beginners. Primers tend to go overlooked, especially by makeup newbies, but it's definitely one that your makeup kit should never be without. Foundation, concealer, bronzer, natural eyeshadow palette, eyeliner, mascara, brow powder, and much more. Which brand is best for makeup? 15 of the best makeup brands in India: MAC, L'Oreal, Lakme, Maybelline, NYX, Bobbi Brown, Color Bar, LA Girl. LA मतलब Los Angeles. Can I use a primer daily? If your pores are large or you break out from your makeup, you need to add a primer to your daily routine right away. Not only will your poses seem smaller, but your makeup will look even better since a good primer protects the pores your face because silky smooth, allowing makeup to spread evenly over the skin. Is a BBA cream a primer? What can I use instead for primer? Unbelievable makeup primer substitutes that works wonders on your skin. Milk of Mangasia source Philips aloe vera gel moisturizer, aloe vera gel and moisturizer, anti chafing cream source Lanacin, BB cream source Bobbi Deol, Bobbi Sunny Deol. Do and don'ts of makeups. Makeups don't buy a lot of product. Don't apply makeup to a dirty face. Don't use dirty brushes to apply your makeup. Don't skip your eyebrows. Don't create fake brows. Don't sleep in your makeup. Don't pump your mascara. Don't create a signature look. Which is a better foundation for BB cream? What's the difference between concealer and foundation makeup? How do you apply foundation for a beginner? How do I know my skin tone?